Hello, sorry I called you, I not help. Hi, I want to ask, do you know the road to Kediri Mall from our school?
Yes, I know that place. Let me show you the way to Kediri Mall from here. Let's get started.
Thank you in advance. I will stand careful for direction.
The first one, you must take east toward the Tambora Road.
Just now I am at the end of the Canberra Road.
Well, from there, you made the roundabout. Take the second exit from the roundabout, the path of the Kiai Bakit Dasim, and then you turn around in the roundabout. Well, after you turn around, take the first exit to the road Sudanko Supriyadi.
From this point, I may remember a little. Turn left onto Brajaya Street and head to turn left again. From there to Kertasana, right to Yosudarsono.
So from Sudarsono Road, turn right to the Diponegoro Street and turn right again after meet Bank ATM Muamalat.
Oh yes, I already tell you. From here, I already know I just have to turn right to the street Hayam Road and Kediri Mall is already on the left side of the road.
If you have arrived, I turn off the phone.
Oh yeah, thanks yeah for guiding me to come here. Sorry to brother.
Yes, it's okay. I turn off the phone. See you later.